Guys, let's take a 5 minute call on Euro card. Euro CAD. I'm looking for a 5 minute call at that 704 or below. We are 706. Okay, 705 or below. We can do. Who got 705? That was a very quick reaction there. Very quick one. Okay. Were you able to catch it? 705. We think, were you able to catch it? That was a nice reaction, but the reason why we took it is just because number one, I think I have about 35 seconds left. If you look at this impulse that broke this high, this is a retracement that came to our 618 level. So it even went below our 618 level and went almost into our 705, right? So that was why we got in here, and you could see the reaction. This will give you more than our 3 minute reaction. So I should be clearing in 10 seconds now. That was a nice reaction. But I hope you understand why we took it. If you take your Fibonacci, for the new student, don't worry. Once you start watching the video, you understand. But if we take our Fibonacci from where the impulse started to where it ended, this is our retracement to the 618 level. And it gave us our reaction. Are we following? So that's an easy one. I just click down. Okay, click. Let's look for something else, guys. In case it comes back, if it can touch the 705 again, Euro card, I will take another 3 minute call. So be on the lookout for it. Mm. I'm looking for Euro NZD call. But I think it's reacting already. Let's continue. We do GBP. Yeah, I think Euro AUD is better. Okay, so we are looking for a 4 minute call. Euro AUD. 4 minutes call, guys. 4 minutes. If it touches the 274 all the way to the 237, 274, I'll go in for 4 minutes call. Euro AUD. If it touches 274, I'm going for 4 minutes call. 274, guys. We use trading view price. Remember the rules. Once it touches your price on trading view, you enter your broker. So if it enters the box here, that's when we go in. It's close, really close. Come on. Okay, come on. Okay, that's it. We are in. I got 271. It's in our box right now, guys. No over leveraging. We already cleared one. Let's see what happens. 4 minutes. So let's see what happens. What was your entries? See that reaction, guys. See that reaction. This is my first trading for the year. This is my first session with you guys. I will be learning. Do you know who can tell me why we're taking this zone right here? It's just the same thing we did in the first one we took. But let's see. Who can just type it out? Why are we taking here? You know, I always say this. The reason why I do this is for you guys to be independent. Do all these things on your own, right? I don't want to keep calling out trades for you. I want you guys to be able to do it on your own without anyone calling out a zone for you or a trade for you or a number for you. So I always make my sessions educative. I want you guys to learn every time. Yeah, 618 zone. You made a mistake. 618 zone. Yeah, it's a 618 zone. You're right. Right. But it's our red zone. You're right. But what other thing confirmed our 618 zone here? I have a minute left. Something else confirmed our 618 zone here. We have a previous support that held here inside that 618 zone. Exactly. We have a previous support, we have a previous resistance. So these two give us an hint that this area is going to give us a reaction, which it did. Do we understand? Nice one, Briti. You are already a pro. Let me know when you clear, guys. You cleared, got into it. Good. Okay, good. Nice one. Oh, you got Euro NZD. Wow. Euro NZD came to the zone I called out, guys, and gave a reaction to. He gave a reaction to. Actually, what I took here is just another block. What I what I give here is just another block reaction, guys. I taught you that for the new student, you watch it, so don't worry. So let me just explain why you are seeing this pullback, why you are seeing this going, why we cleared this as well. So someone took it, you're going to count it as well. That's 3 I know already. If you check this last red candle, right? Check the last red candle. That will be your other block, right? The last red candle before the break of this highs, you can see there was a high that was weakened. Now this red candle broke it off. If you check the 5 minutes, you are going to see it more clearly. You can see this high was broken by this move. So this last red candle is your other block before the break of the high. Now the market came back to that zone of that candle. You could just expect this reaction, which is what it's giving you right now. And all this explanation in my video, another blog on the playlist. You guys can watch it. So it's a nice trade, and you should be housed by now. So we cleared our Euro UD, we cleared our Euro NZT, we cleared our Euro card. That's 300 guys. Just take your time. And whenever you have a question, maybe when you're watching the videos, let me know. I can always give you one of, yeah, that's good. You can just stop there. So let me know. Let's see if we can get one more for quality day, guys. Let's see if we can. Oh, we missed this already. This was a good trade, guys. Look at this. An impulse that broke these highs, and we have a retracement coming back to that zone. It already gave a reaction at our 6-1 zone. Assuming when this was 18 here, you took a 3-minute call, you will clear this trade. So that's another example of our strategy on what we're trading. You could see it very clear and simple. There is nothing. If you keep doing this, I can tell you, you will have 80% win rate. And with a good risk management, knowing that you can't win the trades all the time, right? You will be good to go. So this is like the zone you will be trading, assuming you are here right now. And that's the zone you will be trading. For the 15-minute reversal, if this touches the 873 again, I'll go in for a 3-minute call. If it touches again, I'll go in for a 3-minute call. Where is the JPY? Okay, I am in 3 minutes for right now, 873. Do not over leverage. Let's see what happens. It has given us the reaction we are needing. You see that pullback, the way it just left. You could see that, guys. Very simple thing. Came in, we got it. Where is the looking now? So even if we took Euro NZD, you could see it has not returned back to the other block zone since we took it. It would have been non-gone by now. I think JPY is kind of strong. I think it's kind of strong. I'm back in profit. Come on, stay up there. Guys, can you see this? Just trust your strategy, trust yourself. You will be good all the time. I have a minute and 10 seconds left. It stalled for a while, but gave us the reaction we're looking for. That's just it. Stay up there, stay up there. I should be out in 30 seconds, guys. And that is 4 and 0, guys. 4 and 0. I just cleared that. 4 and 0 to start the year. That was a nice trade and a nice reaction. Clear. Good. Do we have any questions, guys? I'm going to hold on to that. I just got about 10% of my capital first trading session of the year. Is anyone else is still in the trade? I hope we are all out. So we can call this USD bad trade another block trade as well. We go to the 15-minute. You could see this last trade candle, right? The last week that was involved. If you single it out from the beginning of the week to the end of it, you are choosing that area because, like I said, my sessions are always educated. If you single out that area, because this eye was broken by this line, that's why this is significant. So the moment the candle came in and touched where that week begin, you could see the reaction. So that could be your other block 3, 4, 5 minutes trade if you saw it earlier. So the moment the candle touched there, you would have taken your trade and see the reaction. Just the same way we took on our was that Euro or the Euro NZD? Euro NZD. That was the same thing we did on our Euro NZD. Can you guys see? It's as simple as that. Binary trading is really easy, but you just need to take your time to practice and get good at it. I hope we all learned something. I hope you're getting my explanation, guys. For the new students, I hope you are getting my explanation. Okay. On the USD JPY, how to trade know the very basic react and what minutes do you draw the fib? Yeah, I draw my fibs on 5 minutes. I draw my fib on 5 minutes. Now, as of the reaction, that's why it is called binary. You can see after we cleared, it went back to what it was doing, right? So that can happen. That's why you need to know when to get in and get out. Now, the reason why we draw our fib of 5 minutes is because we are taking 3 to 5 minutes trade. Yes, let's say you take a 3 minute and you roll, that would be like a 6 minutes trade. So each time frame has their own time reaction time as well. So if 5 minutes, you are expecting a 5 minute reaction, right? 5 minutes candle, 5 minutes time frame. So from here, from the beginning of an impulse to the end, don't worry, when you watch the Fibonacci video, you get this explanation as well. So whenever it comes to the 618 area is what you are looking for. 618 is where we painted red. The settings of this Fibonacci is on the video as well. So you would have the settings when you start watching the video. Then what will now confirm that area is also the previous resistance or support. You can see when we look to the left, we have a resistance that was broken in. That was what confirmed this area for us, which was why we took that trade. If you took it the first time, you got the reaction. The second time, we got the reaction and we cleared before it continued, because I think JPY is strong right now. Did that answer your question, Mr. Kelvin? Okay. Thanks for joining in. I hope we are learning. So we'll take the second trading session tomorrow, and the third one is going to be on Thursday, which will be the last for the week. I trade 3 times a week, this same time, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. I try to trade not because I want to keep calling out trade for you guys. I'm trading this so you will see what I see in the market before I take the trades, so that you can learn and do it on your own. So first, all I know to start the week and year. Thanks, guys. Let's get it. I'll see you guys same time tomorrow. If you have any questions, my chats is always open to you guys. Feel free to ask me, and let's get it. Bye.